Hi everyone, here are the top 3 habits that keep you stuck in your vocal development. Number 1 is neglecting your vowels. We become so used to doing all the vocal exercises that start with a consonant like mama mum, go go go, ba ba ba, all that we don't really care about our vowels enough. And vowels are the building blocks of your singing. They really are the meat and potatoes. They are the most important thing. And we need to focus on doing them right and doing them correctly. So please do yourself this favor and bring back pure vowels into your training routine. Do slides on vowels. Train your vowel modifications. Get used to not having that anchor of a consonant in the beginning of a phrase or an exercise, but instead use only vowels and see where your voice is truly at. Consonants can be a great helping tool, especially in the beginning, but there comes a point where you really need to focus on vowel sounds and really get them right. Number 2 is neglecting your head voice. We really need to use all our vocal registers that we have available, and you don't want to over rely on chest voice itself. Yes, chest voice is great. We need to strengthen it. We need to work on that as well. But especially if you want to sing higher, we need to transition into head voice. And you don't want to leave head voice unused. You really want to focus on making it as strong, as versatile, as rangy as possible. You want it to be flexible because head voice is where all the money notes are. If you want to impress your audience, well, those notes, they are in head voice. The only way that you're ever going to be able to sing in full voice up high, those impressive money notes that we want, is to train your head voice and then connect chest and head voice, creating what some people call mixed voice. Some people call it different names. It doesn't really matter. But in order to have it, head voice needs to be trained as well. And number 3, you don't really focus enough on your practice. So maybe you practice for an hour a day, let's say, but are you really getting 100% out of that 1 hour that you practice? Are you focused on what's happening in your body when you're training, when you're practicing, when you're doing your vocal exercises, when you're doing your routines? What is it that you're thinking about when you're doing it? Are you really searching for solutions? Are you looking for problems and how to solve them? This is extremely important. You want to be aware at all times of what's happening in your voice. And you want to think about, why am I not getting this sound right? Why is this vowel wrong? Why is my throat closing down suddenly when I try to sing this passage? Why is it happening? What can I do to fix it? Search for those solutions. This is how practice should really look like. And you want to be focused 100% of the time. You want to be focused on what's going on when you're practicing and training your voice. Please give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you want one-on-one vocal lessons with me, then shoot me an email. We'll find a date and time that suits us both, and we're going to have a vocal lesson together. I'll see you in the next one.